And Arshad from the UK in the previous segment asked a couple questions. Supplicating in one's prostration, it is permissible in the first rak'ah, second rak'ah, third or the last rak'ah, first sajda, second sajda. It's permissible in Arabic, if you know Arabic, of course, and if you don't, then in your mother tongue, in any language. And it is permissible in fariḍah, the mandatory prayers, as well as the voluntary prayers, no restrictions. I know that in the Hanafi madhab there is a different opinion. I'm telling you what we believe is the most correct view in this regard. Any Muslim who doesn't know Arabic can supplicate Allah even in the prayer, in sujood or after tashahud, in your mother tongue. But the tasbih, the tahmid, the tasmi', the recitation of the Quran, the takbir, all of that should be done in the Arabic language. Asking Allah to bless you with a good spouse, children, whatever, in your mother tongue is permissible in sujood or past the Durud Sharif and before making taslim. Some people, they limit their prayer, supplication in the last sajda and they make it very long. This is not right. This is now, that can be, if it is done on regular basis, it can be categorized as definitely an innovation. If you supplicate in all the sujood or some of the sujood, that is perfectly fine. Singling out the last sajda with a prolonged supplication, that is not the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.